This is a brand new 2013 Ford Explorer. This SUV has an automatic transmission, a 3.5-liter V6, and the added capability of four-wheel drive. Its top features include traction control and stability control systems, XM satellite radio, big 18-inch wheels, roof rails, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: a power passenger seat, air conditioning, cruise control, a 6-speaker audio system, leather and alloy steering wheel trim, a security system, front fog lights, an anti-lock braking system, a folding rear seat, and a rear spoiler. This vehicle is sure to sell fast. Call and arrange your test drive today.
Janelle Motors is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We're located at 2000 Washington Street in Hanover.